So I was walking in my creek today, and I found this little box turtle here. His head was poking out of the shell. Usually, when I find them, their head is in the shell and they're hiding, because they get scared real quick. But there he is from up close. And about 2 minutes later, I found this little millipede crawling through the woods, through the sticks, and there he is, the black and yellow millipede. I don't know what species, but whatever. Then about 15 minutes later, I found this little box turtle, and now we have two of them. He's like almost twice as small as the other one. And here I've got some pictures of all the creatures I found today.